Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how an open banking API gateway server works in an easy step-by-step way. An open banking API gateway server is a secure digital system that allows trusted third-party apps to connect with a bank's services and data, but only with the customer's permission. In simple words, it works like a protected middle layer between the user, the fintech app, and the bank, making sure requests are safe, verified, and properly routed. First, the user gives consent. This means the customer allows a trusted app to access certain banking data or start a payment on their behalf. Without this approval, the app cannot continue, because open banking is built around customer permission and control. Next, the third-party app sends a request to the open banking API gateway. For example, the app may request account balance data, transaction history, or payment initiation. Instead of connecting directly to the bank's internal system, the request first goes through the gateway server. After that, the gateway authenticates the app. In other words, it checks the app's credentials, tokens, certificates, and permissions. This step helps the bank confirm that the request is coming from a legitimate and approved application, not from an unknown or unauthorized source. Then, the customer is also verified. The system may confirm the user through login details, OTP, strong customer authentication, or another secure verification method. This ensures that the person giving access is the real account holder and that the request is genuine. Once both the app and the customer are verified, the request is routed. The API gateway decides where the request should go inside the banking environment. It may send it to the correct bank API, account service, payment service, or another core banking function depending on what the app has asked for. Next, the bank processes the data or action. The banking system checks the request, retrieves the needed account information, or prepares the requested payment action. At this stage, the bank's internal system handles the actual banking work behind the scenes. After that, a secure response returns to the API gateway. The gateway protects the information while it is in transit, applies security and policy controls, and makes sure the returned data matches the approved request. This helps maintain privacy, accuracy, and system safety. Then, the result is sent back to the third-party app. The app receives the approved banking data or payment response and shows it to the user in a simple, useful format. As a result, the customer can view account details, compare services, manage money, or complete payments through the connected app. Inside the API gateway server, several important components work together. These include the API management layer, the authentication system, consent management, rate limiting and traffic control, security and encryption, the routing engine, logging and monitoring tools, and secure bank API connectors. Together, these parts help the system remain secure, organized, and reliable. Therefore, an open banking API gateway server is useful because it supports secure data sharing, gives customers control over their banking access, helps fintech apps integrate quickly, and enables better banking services. It plays a key role in making modern digital banking more connected, secure, and customer-focused. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.